Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm gonna walk you through the simple process of signing up on Writesonic AI from your laptop. So first thing you need to do is look for the browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with, be it Chrome or Firefox. For today I'm gonna use Safari. Now in the address bar, type in Writesonic AI official website, that is writesonic.com, and click enter. So this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you open the Writesonic AI official website. You can hover over to see other features of Writesonic AI, and to now sign up, go to Get Started tab right on top right corner of your screen just beside sign in option. Or you can also see Get Started free tab on the middle of your screen. You can click on that. You can use either of it. Now you can see various options through which you can sign up to Writesonic. You can use your Google ID or your Apple ID, or you can use your business email as well. So today I'm gonna go with business email. So first thing you need to do is enter your full name here, and next up type your business email. Now you can see various options through which you can sign up. You can sign up with your OTP or with your password or with SSO. If you choose sign up with OTP option, OTP code will be sent to your email, which you need to copy and paste it in the space. For today I'm using sign up with password, so click on that tab. Now create a strong password for yourself and retype it to confirm it. Now next up click on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to the email that you have just typed. Go to the mailbox. A mail sent from Team Writesonic will appear on your inbox. Click on it and you can see a code, and now look for the code sent by Writesonic, copy the code and paste it in and click on verify. Now if you want to optimize your Writesonic account according to your expertise, you can choose your profession from the list and click on continue and click on continue. Now from the list given below, you can choose how Writesonic can be of your use and then click on continue. And finally choose on the source through which you heard about Writesonic, and then finally click on done. And finally you have signed up successfully. That's how you sign up on Writesonic AI. We've come to the end of the video. If you liked our video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.